In the future development of AI applications in industries, the degree of deep learning, as well as image analysis and speed of calculation in edge computing, will impact business operations. In case of an emergency or the need for quick data access, the method of access will be the key to increase efficiency and assure data security. Sintrones Edge Computing Solution supports AI technology with enhanced image analysis capability. Specially designed hot-swappable SSD HDD enclosure ensures data security and convenient data accessing. The patented 5G and LTE SIM design ensures efficient transmission over wireless networks. Patented built-in battery design provides backup time for invaluable data. Supporting various high-performance GPU PCIe cards like the NVIDIA Tesla 4, they are equipped with new generation processors to enhance image analysis performance and shorten judgment lead time. They also support various automation, surveillance, and other customized PCIe cards. Robust and excellent design with broad range temperature and voltage support. Equipped multiple I/Os enables connection between various external equipment to fulfill the demands of all industries. Suitable for smart edge computing of all industries, particularly where quick analysis of massive data and imaging or visual position and object detection are necessary. With powerful capacity and expansion abilities, Sintrones Solutions opens up a brand new future domain of AI image analysis. Driving the power of innovation. Sintrones.